Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and well at your home. So children, what we have learned today, this is the revision chapter of first, that is Know Your Planet, class 5, subject Social Science. So in previous video, what you learned about the chapter, the Know Your Planet. What do you know about your planet? So I ask you some question. How many planets are there? Good. There are 8 planets in our solar system, and the sun and the 8 planets that form the solar system. And in this 8 planet, first number is Mercury, second that is the Venus, and the third number, that is our planet, that is called the Earth. In this planet we live. हम किस planet में रहते हैं? Earth. It is a unique planet. Unique. Why this planet is unique? क्यों ये planet क्या है? Unique है because it is the only planet in the solar system that has life possible. यही एक ऐसा प्लेनेट है सोलर सिस्टम का जिसमें कि क्या है, लाइफ पॉसिबल है. ओके, नाउ बिकॉज it is surrounded by the layer of air. Our earth is surrounded by the layer of air and that is called the atmosphere. What is? Our earth is surrounded by the layer of air that is called the atmosphere because all living organisms need air. सारे living organisms को क्या चाहिए? Sunlight, water and air. So our earth has right amount of temperature, neither too hot and nor too cold. ना तो ज़्यादा ठंडी है हमारी अर्थ, ना ही ज़्यादा गर्म. So the temperature is the right temperature. It has right temperature and the water. Second thing is water. We need water. So water, our earth consists 3/4 part covered with water. हमारी अर्थ का how many parts covered with water? 3/4 part covered with water. And the air, the earth is surrounded by the layer of air that is called, it is surrounded by the layer of air that is called the atmosphere. And in atmosphere there are gases, means the nitrogen, the oxygen and some other gases, but what we need, we breathe. हम क्या लेते हैं? ऑक्सीजन. So that is the important gas. So earth has the layer of air that is called the atmosphere, and in this atmosphere oxygen is the most important gas that we breathe. So that's why the life is possible on this planet and that's why this is a unique planet. इसलिए ये क्या है? Unique planet. And now our second topic is the continents and the oceans. Continents and the, now this is our earth. In this earth there are water bodies, a very large water bodies are called oceans. A very large water bodies are called ocean and a large area of land are called continents. So, what are continents? A large area of land are called continents, and what are oceans? A very large water bodies are called oceans. So here in page number 9, see, this is the globe and you can see this blue portion. This is our oceans. This is the ocean and these are the continents. These are the colorful colors are there. So these are the continents. Continents means a very large area of land. बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा जमीन का, that are called the continents. A very large water bodies, और जहाँ पानी water bodies है large, that is called the ocean. And how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. And how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. How many? 7. So you understand what is ocean and what is? Yes, continents, because our earth consists 3/4 part water. हमारी अर्थ का how many part covered है water से? 3/4 area covered by water. So these, see this, the large water bodies are called the oceans, and this is the 3/4 part, and remaining is the 1/4. That is the land area. Land area, and this 3/4 part is the water. So what are oceans? A very large water bodies are called the oceans. How many types of oceans? How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. And which one is the largest? The Pacific Ocean is the largest. And which one is the smallest? The Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Pacific is the largest ocean and Arctic is the smallest ocean. And which one is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent, and in Asia our India lies in the Asia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest one. Australia is the smallest continent. So you clear the concept that what are oceans? A very large water bodies of water are called oceans, and there are 5 oceans are there. That is the Pacific Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. See which one is the largest? Pacific is the largest. And which one is the smallest one? The Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. Then about the continents, a very large area of land are called the continents. And how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. That is the South America, North America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. So these are the 7 continents, and Asia is the largest one and the Australia is the smallest one. Now, then the shape of Earth. Our next topic is what? The shape of Earth. What is the shape of our Earth? What is? How it look like? It is look like spherical. Spherical with the golakar. Okay, the Earth is look like a round, like a ball, like a orange. So in ancient time, people believed that the Earth was flat and had straight edges. In ancient time, people believed that Earth was flat and had edges. This is the flat and had edges. But later Ferdinand his crew members, they started their sea journey to Spain, and after 3 years they reached the same place where they started their journey. Means Ferdinand Magellan, that man proved that the earth is round like a ball. इन्होंने ये प्रूव किया है कि ये जो अर्थ है कैसी है, गोल है. ओके, इट इज स्लाइटली फ्लैट एट द टॉप, हल्की सी फ्लैट है, एंड स्लाइटली फ्लैट एट द bottom. So this man proved that the Ferdinand Magellan, this is a Portuguese explorer, and he started his sea journey. Ferdinand Magellan and his crew members started the sea journey from Spain. कहाँ से उन्होंने sea journey start करी थी, समुद्र की यात्रा? That is started from Spain, and after 3 years, how many years? 3 years, they reached the same place. 3 साल के बाद वो उसी प्लेस पे आ गए जहाँ से उन्होंने अपनी सी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी थी. So Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, and he was a skilled sailor. He started his sea journey from Spain, and after 3 years they reached the same place where they started. So this proved that the earth is round like a ball. The earth is like a orange. The earth is like a orange. ये कैसी है? Orange. It is slightly flat at the top and slightly flat at the bottom. And for example, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin in 1969 where they reached moon. कहाँ पर पहुँच गए थे वो? मून पे. And they take the photographs of the earth. कहाँ से उन्होंने फोटोग्राफ लिए थे? मून से. So this proved that the earth is round, the earth is spherical in shape. ये प्रूफ होता है कि जो हमारी अर्थ है वो क्या है? गोल है शेप में. Now then our next topic, you understand it, that is the Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer. They started his sea journey with his crew members also. So they started his sea journey from Spain, and they started after the 3 years, 3 साल के बाद they reached the same place. वो उसी place पे आ गए जहाँ से उन्होंने अपनी sea journey start करी थी. So this proved that the earth is round like a ball. The earth is round like an orange. Clear? Now next topic is the globe. Our next topic is globe. So what is globe? See, the globe is look like this is a globe. Because the earth is very big, earth बहुत बड़ी है, it is not possible to see the whole earth at a time. So we need to study the earth. So we need to make a model of earth, and this model is called the globe. Okay, so what is globe? Globe is the model of the earth. What is? It is the model of the earth. Because our earth is very big, it is not possible to see at a time. So we need to make a model. So that's why we make a model. So this is the model. It is the model of the earth. And so what are the advantages of this? Because by the help of globe we can see the correct size correct location of continents, countries, oceans. So we can see the earth by this globe. By this globe. So we can see the correct site, location, of all continents, oceans, countries. So that is by this help of globe. And it also shows the distribution of land and water. It also shows the distribution of land and water. So that's why we study the earth. That's why we need a globe. So what are the advantages? First, our earth is very big. It is not possible to see the entire earth at a time. So we need to make a model that is called the globe. So what is the definition of globe? The globe, it is the model of the earth. And what are the advantages? So we can see the correct size, correct location of continents, countries and oceans. And the second one is it also shows the distribution of land and water. Now what are the disadvantages? A huge globe is difficult to carry. बहुत बड़ा globe क्या है, डिफिकल्टी होगी किसको कैरी करने को, उठाने को. So what is the disadvantages? A huge globe is difficult to carry and we cannot make a globe of a small area. हम small area का globe नहीं बना सकते. We cannot make a globe of small area. And the third one, we can see the half of earth at a time. हम सिर्फ half earth देख सकते हैं एक टाइम में. We can see only the half of the earth at a time. Now this is the portion and the back side portion we can't see. So we can see only the half portion at a time. We can't see the entire earth at a time. So this is the disadvantages. What are the? First is a huge globe is difficult to carry. Second thing, we can't make a small, we can't understand small area in the globe. Okay, because we can't make a globe of a small area. हम small area means कोई भी city है उसका globe नहीं बना सकते. We can't make a globe of that particular small area. So we need map. फिर हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ी? Map की. That's why we need map to understand the earth deeply. So that's why we need map. Okay. So what is globe? Globe is the model of earth. It shows the distribution of land and water, and we can see the correct size and location of continent, countries and the ocean. But a huge globe is difficult to carry. And second one is small. We can't make a globe of a small area. Okay. And the third one is only half of the earth can be seen in first time. So that is the globe. Now second point is the map. Second is the, third is the map. What is map? Map is the representation of the earth's surface. Means it is a drawing of earth. Map, it is the drawing of or a part of it on a flat surface. Means what are map? Map is the drawing of surface, and this is the curved surface and this is the flat surface. So what is map? Map is the drawing of earth or the part of it on a flat surface. We can understand, we can study the earth better than a globe by this help of map. So the word map that comes from, ये word किससे आया है? It comes from the Latin word. The word map that comes from Latin word that is mapo, which means napkin, जिसका मतलब क्या था? Napkin. So the word map that comes from the Latin word mapo, which means napkin. And Gradus Mercator, who was Gradus Mercator, a Flemish map maker. A Flemish map maker and was first published a collection of map. What he published? First published collection of map in form of the collection of map in form of book that is called the Atlas. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Atlas. Now what is map? Map, this word comes from the Latin word mapo, which means napkin. The second thing is the Gradus Mercator. This is a Flemish map maker. He was a Flemish map maker that first published the collection of maps in form of book that is called the Atlas. Or we can say that Atlas. What is Atlas? Atlas is the book of map. Atlas is the book of map. Atlas क्या है? एक बुक होती है मैप की. Do you have anyone? आपके पास भी है? अगर नहीं हो तो सबको लानी है. What is Atlas? It is very helpful to understand the map. So what is Atlas? Atlas is the book of map. And first map, the word that comes from the Latin word mapo, which means napkin. And the Gradus Mercator, he was Flemish map maker and he first published a collection of map in the form of book that is called the Atlas. So Atlas is the book of map. Clear? Now, what is map? Map to study the earth easily, so we can use map. Okay, so we can use the map. It is the drawing of the earth surface and a part of it. It is the drawing of the earth surface and the part of it. We can draw the map of small area. हम मैप की हेल्प से स्मॉल एरिया का भी मैप बना सकते हैं. You can draw the map of your neighborhood and you can also draw the map of your school. आप अपने स्कूल का भी क्या बना सकते हैं? मैप बना सकते हैं. In this way, a map is better than the globe. इसलिए जो मैप है, this is better than the globe because going on a flat surface. On a flat surface. So in flat surface it is very easily to understand the things. Then it compared to the curved surface. So a curved surface can't be shown correctly on a flat surface. See, this is the curved surface and your book, this is the flat surface. Here look at the map. This is the example of map. What is? See, this is the example of map 1.1. Okay. A small area can be represented fairly and accurately on map. This map is the useful tool to study the earth. It is very useful tool to study the earth. Now, how types of map? Our next topic is what? Types of map. There are many different types of map, like physical map, political map, and climatic map. And apart from these, there are some other maps like industries and wildlife and transport, soil. So these are, and there are many types of maps. So in physical map you understand what are the plain area, where plains, mountains, plateau. So we all understand by the help of the physical map. Where is the plain area, where are the mountains, where are the plateaus. And the second one is the political map. You can, in political map there are the states and their capitals, union territories. So all this in the political map. Third one is the climatic map. Climatic map shows the temperature and the rainfall of a particular of the state. So climatic map that shows the temperature and rainfall. And aside from these, there are some other maps like industries. We can find the iron industries, copper industries. We can also other types of map like wildlife, the soil, which type of soil that are found in which regions. Okay, transport. Here are some other types of map. Besides this, there are some other map that tells that the crops, soils, transport, industries, wildlife. So there are many different types of map and it is very helpful to study the earth. So our next topic is what? Our next topic is the 3D map. But this we can understand in our next video. Okay, so you can watch this video 2 times. It is